Okay, so we're gonna make Greek coffee. It's a special coffee served after a meal. The Greek, all Greek homes.
So what are you starting with right now?
And right now I'm measuring the special demi-tasse cups with regular tap water or whatever water you like.
Does that have to be hot or cold?
Room temperature water, cold water. So I placed 3 cups, demi-tasse cups of water. And I will now take 3 teaspoons, large rounded teaspoons of Greek coffee, especially ground powder form. It comes in pouches such as these. Lumidis is a good brand to buy. You may find it at specialty stores or perhaps the internet. I'm sure you can. So I will place in this special pot called the briki in Greek 3 rounded teaspoons of the Greek coffee, 1 per little demi-tasse that I'm making, and 1 teaspoon for what we call metrio coffee, which is the medium sweetness, 3 teaspoons of sugar. And I will now turn on the fire. You put it on the fire and you let it sit a little bit, and then we're going to stir. So I will now stir. The water is not really gotten warm yet, but I'm stirring it until I dissolve the sugar with the coffee. Stir, 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 stir. Good enough. And then you put it under low to medium fire. You want it to cook slowly. It's going to come to a very slow boil. I have to watch it constantly because it must not boil over. Because in the best Greek coffee has a foam on the top. And if you serve someone coffee without the foam, they say, oops, this is not Greek coffee, I don't want it. So the grounds are in the coffee, which will eventually settle down to the bottom, so you drink it slowly, sip it slowly until you have all the clear coffee is gone, and the grounds will be left on the bottom. So the coffee is cooking slowly. We need to pay attention to the foam. It's going to rise slowly. It takes its time, so you have to watch it because you don't want it to boil over, as I said. It's beginning to rise now, as you can see from all around. And as it rises, I lift it up a little bit. I don't want it to rise at the same time. Lift it up. Lift it up. That's good enough. What I will now do is distribute the foam evenly on all the little parts. Some here on all the cups. Some here, a little bit more here, and back again, and here. And now all the cups have about the same amount of foam, and the more bubbles you see, they say that that's money for you. You're going to get money. So some people like to really go high and make more bubbles. So the more money you want, the higher you go. There you go. All right.
Good job, Mom. Thanks.
You're welcome.